day like today, where we do a day of service for our community, is so important. About half of our students come from outside the Columbus area, and so we want to connect them to Columbus, Georgia, and one of the best ways to do that is through meaningful service. So we have students all over town today doing community service at various locations. We're at the Botanical Gardens right now, heading over to the Boys and Girls Club later on today, and I think there are probably about 6 or 7 different sites.
Day of Service is wonderful because it gives back to a community that gives to Columbus State. Many of the resources and opportunities that Columbus State has granted comes from nonprofits and different organizations in the community, such as the Botanical Gardens. It's really beautiful outside. As a student, I get a nice way to relax and give back to my community.
We are going to be making 25 beds, so that's 25 kids that won't have to sleep on the floor later this year. Well, the more serious jobs like operating a saw, we do like to have people with experience, but otherwise, really no experience required. Our chapter members explain everything to everybody. We give good instructions. The hardest part is getting people to do the dirtiest work, which is our staining.
We are in the staining section. So we are staining the headboards here for the beds that we're going to make later. We honestly get so much help from the Columbus community, and to be able to give back honestly makes you feel really good about yourself because you feel like you're part of a greater purpose.
So the Turnaround Columbus George Washington Carver Victory Gardens and Farms is a 10-acre garden and farm, and we also worked with teenagers, teaching them life skills. So today they came out and helped clear some land for us. We painted some rocks to express ourselves. You know, we also been using some recycled materials, making use of that to help the farm out here. And we're also getting ready to start some new vegetables.
You truly get to see your work and what it means to the community here in Midtown, but also you get the visual of what your work actually does.